What's going on, boys and girls? This is going to be another one of those fun videos. This ain't meant to teach nobody. It's not a teachable moment. It's just something I'm doing on a Friday evening. I'm going to make me a hamburger and some French fries. And I even came home earlier today, cut my vegetables up. I partially cooked my hamburger and sauteed my mushrooms because I wanted stuff to be ready when I got home, so I can just do the French fries and everything will be nice and hot. So some of this stuff has already been started, but we're going to let you see how it ends up. So here we go. All right, so we got some lettuce, tomatoes, and onions right there. Got a hamburger bun, got an egg, which we're gonna make them fried eggs. We got some russet potatoes all cut up here. I've already made my hamburger. It's got the mushrooms on top of it here. So all we got to do now is fry the French fries. Oh yeah, you got to have some Tony Saturates to go on top of it. So we got the fries started up here. So we're gonna let those go for a few minutes, just until they get nice and brown and to consistency we want them at. Oh, we can't forget about the cheese. We are going to put some cheese on here as well. All right, to make these buns a little bit special here, we're just going to take a little bit of butter, which I just took about a tablespoon of butter and melted it down. Going to spread it on our bun here. And then we're going to pop those in the toaster just to get them to look a little bit good here. Oh yeah, look at those buns, nice and browned. And we can't forget about the mayonnaise and the ketchup. And that's a mayo mustard. That's a mustard and a mayonnaise here. And then we got some regular ketchup here. All right, we're going to take those fries out, give them a little bit of a sprinkle of the Tony Saturates here to give them some nice flavor. Let them cool down a little bit. Then we're going to do our egg, and then we're going to put the sandwich together. All right, we're going to pop our egg in there, and I'm going to put a lid on it, y'all, so it'll cook a little bit thoroughly. And it's going to be easier to, I like my yolk to be a little bit cooked and not so runny. Every now and then I'll like it a little bit runny, but I really want it to be kind of cooked. So we're going to put the lid up there for a little while and we'll come back once it's done. Alrighty, that's how I want my egg to be, y'all. I don't want that yolk to be all runny, which it's going to run a little bit, but just not real bad. So we're going to go ahead and turn the heat off and put this on the sandwich. All right, let's put this masterpiece together. Now I start off with putting a little bit of mustard on the very bottom here. Very bottom to get something to spread it out with. Oh, while I'm at it, I did put some cheese on top of the egg and put the lid back on it for a little while so the cheese can be melting on top of the egg. All right, then I add my burger and my mushrooms on top of that. I put my egg on top of that. Okay, we got the egg on top of that. Then we're going to put our onions and tomatoes. Put our tomatoes first. No, you know what? Let's put our lettuce first. Lettuce first. We want the lettuce to be more like that right there. Then we're going to do tomatoes. And we're going to do onion. Put the whole onion up there. And then we're going to do ketchup on the other bun here. Put a lot of ketchup up there. Now you shouldn't need any seasoning because I seasoned the burger first. And we're gonna close this down. Give it a little bit of a mash there. All right, that's gonna be a nice burger. We're gonna cut it down the middle so you can see what it looks like. All right, we got it cut. See what it looks like. It's got a nice little pink layer in the middle. Gonna add the French fries to this, y'all. Those French fries, we had to brown the French fries a little bit more because I didn't like the way they look. Put the French fries in there. And there you have it. That's better than Burger King any day. So this is just a fast video, guys, on the way I cook a hamburger and what I was going to have for dinner tonight. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a like and a thumbs up if you really liked it, and give me a comment if you liked it, and share the video with other folks so folks can know different ways of cooking. I enjoy watching everybody else's video, and I hope you guys enjoy watching mine. You guys have a nice day. Peace. This is just another angle of it. Does that not look good, y'all? Does that not look good? Oh yeah, this is going to be so good.